Yes, I did really enjoy it. I am really happy to meet new people, and so kind of all of people who instructor
Yeah.
is very kind and I understand them very clearly. This experience is my first time in theory for cycling,
Yeah.
but I think I learned too much skills for today.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
And you enjoyed it? You feel like you've learnt a lot as you progress?
Yes, I feel very confident,
Yeah.
and I think I learned much better than yesterday, and I really enjoyed.
Good, good. And before you came on the course, would you say that you felt confident cycling?
In my side, I have a little bit experience before. In my side, I thought, yes, I know everything, but no, when I try, was everything for the first time about theory.
And now you feel you feel more confident on the bike now?
Yes, I feel more confidently.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good. And you've enjoyed it?
I really enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.